Hello everyone, my name is Alex Leong and I am currently in grade 11. I am representing the International School of Beijing at this year's Regeneron Science Fair, and my project is in the field of environmental chemistry. The topic I've chosen for this project is increasing the dilution of an acid, and I measured the effect on calcium carbonate. This was to simulate the concern of ocean acidification and the effect on shellfish. In this project, I measured the amount of mass lost from the eggshells over the span of 6 hours. I compared a control of distilled water at pH 7 with the following solutions: 100% vinegar solution at pH 2, a 2% vinegar solution at pH 3, and a pH 4 buffer solution. I submerged 3 grams of eggshells into each solution. The hypothesized trend was that as the pH decreases, the mass lost, as well as the percent mass lost, should increase. After the experiment, the results that yielded were mostly expected. As the pH decreased, the mass loss and the percent mass lost increased. Additionally, there was evidence of a potential exponential decay in the mass lost, since the percent mass lost and the difference were both decreasing. This was also expected due to the pH scale being logarithmic, and there should have been a geometric sequence with an increase of 1 on the pH scale. However, what was not expected was the relationship that was posed between the mass loss and the pH. The percent mass loss most strongly followed a relationship inverse to the fourth power of pH. This means that every increase of 1 unit in pH is equal to a decrease of pH to the fourth power in percent mass lost. Additionally, the mass loss had a very weak correlation with the pH to the base 10 logarithmic function. This means that there was another factor acting on the relationship. From this experiment, I can conclude that the experiment generally followed the hypothesis that mass loss increases as pH decreases. However, this experiment is not representative of the current trend in ocean acidification due to limitations. These include the use of distilled water, the relatively short experiment time, and the low acidic concentration of the vinegar. Additionally, there is a very weak correlation to the theoretical relationship, so further investigation will be needed to be done in order to find the cause of the actual relationship.